Okay, so this is the start of another YouTube video, and today this vehicle is booked in for a map on a K100, so our Richard's going to map it. Now the first thing we're going to do is, because this has been tuned previously on another dyno by another company, the figures from that dyno are quite high. So what we want to do is, before we start modifying and mapping, because we are modifying this one today, is we're going to do a base run to see what it's actually putting out, giving us a base figure and a starting figure. Then I believe the plan is to swap out this induction kit and fit the Dynodaze induction kit, and that's going to give us an idea of how much power can be gained from our induction kit over this one. Then we're going to start tuning it and see where we get to today. But check this out, guys. This is a very, very pretty Cosmic Grey EP3. Look at that. It is gorgeous, isn't it? I do get excited by a nice Cosmic Grey. I don't know what's wrong with me. I love them. I've never owned a Cosmic Grey one. But yeah, what a stunner. Let's get on with it. Bit of a modification to the seats. Check that out. I believe someone's mum's done that. My mum makes me dinner. She does not retrim my seats. Beautiful. Oh, that looks a little bit mean. Look at that light. Oh, meaning. Stop front. Oh, Richard's just tidying up. It's looking pretty sexual, Richard, if I do say so myself.
Not quite finished yet, but...
Okay, I'll just get your way.
You're in here and you're in my way as usual.
So the base of the idea is, because it's a bigger bore, isn't it? And it's better flowing.
See, these...
Oh, my fingers.
I'll finish what I'm doing, then I'll talk to you.
Oh, okay. Are you watching your pinkies? Your dad will be watching.
What's your pinkies?
Your dad will be watching, he'll be worried about you.
I'm already worried about you. Take the sexton a pensioner.
Listen, man, he wants to know how to sell clocks. And I was concerned when I read it the first time. He says, my clocks just aren't doing what they used to.
My clock?
Clock?
He's not doing what he used to.
Yeah, and I'm like...
Well, that's just life, Graham.
Yeah, you're getting old.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I'll give that a wipe down, will ya?
It's a little bit different because obviously normally it hasn't got a bigger... we've designed it for a stock inlet manifold and a stock throttle body, so it is in a slightly different position. So I've had to sort of twiddle it on the... on the silicon a little bit.
Twiddle it on the silicon.
Yeah, but potentially it's still in the same spot.
Fantastic. Right then, so next up is power run as she is, but with a better induction kit. Let's see what we make. Okay, as suspected, because we've seen it before, which is why we've developed this kit, red line is the car as it came in, so stock run as it was. Blue line is literally just with the Dynodaze induction kit on it, and we have made 5 brake horsepower. We've made a little bit more in the mid-range, as you can see there, as the difference between the two lines is greater. But yeah, straight off the bat, it's breathing better, it's performing better. So yeah, happy days. Well done, Richard.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Not just even accidentally.
No, we're not talking about docking now. We're talking about this car. So that did quite well, didn't it? The induction kit made the 5 brake horsepower that I suggested it was going to make, which is nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's proven again.
Time and time again.
Time and time again.
Well, let's see what we make now over and above.
The last map.
Yeah, what's on here? Let's have a look and see if we can pull that file. Oh.
So we've pulled. So we've put our K Pro, correct, in here now.
Yes, our K Pro's in this car now. Yeah.
Because this is a K100, isn't it? Fantastic. Right, I'll leave you to get on with that. Another EP3 in the bag.
Second one of today.
Keep on it.
Keep on it.
Keep on it.
Well, we've run through pretty much most of it anyway. 4-to-1, catback exhaust, normal mods for these cars. Inlet manifold, bigger throttle body, fit the Dynodaze induction kit. We've talked about the gains on that already, so no point in going over that again, in my opinion. This car came in at 220. Or 220, 221, it's leaving at 230. I mean, it was already mapped by a well more than capable tuner. We've made a little hardware change, which is obviously the induction kit, and we've tuned accordingly on a K100 board today.
Certainly have.
And yeah, it's leaving us on 230.
I really like this car, you know. I've got a thing for cosmic grey.
Well, you like grey cars in general,
I do like grey cars. Metallic grey, metallic brown. Yeah, they're my cars, they're my colours, man.
And the colours.
Okay,
let's have a look at the graph.
Yeah, let's go and have a look at this graph. Let's do this. Let's have a browse. Okay, so as we always say, red line is as it came in and blue line is as it leaves. We've made some power there, and like Richard said, it was already mapped before, so happy days there. Some gains to be had, which we're impressed with. Like I say, mapped on a K100, so already been tuned. But we finish today on 230 brake horsepower, which is 195 at the wheels. Fantastic job, and what a car! I mean, I know, guys, I know you think that I say this about every car that comes in, but I really like that one. I do. I'm quite partial to it. Anyway, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. And we shall see you on the next one, won't we, Richard?
We will indeed.
We will indeed.
Before, and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.